I love breakfast ideas that you can whip up in a matter of 10 minutes. And for today, if you have some leftover chapatis, or if you can make some and make this delicious recipe, it's going to be totally worth it. So you're going to be making some egg wrap, which you're going to be adding in lots of fresh ingredients and eggs, of course. And the outcome is going to be so delicious, flavorful, and very nutritious. The recipe is going to be very easy because I've already prepped up everything, and I have some leftover chapati. I've shredded some cheddar, that is mozzarella and cheddar cheese, and I have both free range and the regular eggs. So I'm going to get straight into making this delicious and simple breakfast. So I'm going to place a cast iron pan of medium low flame as I mix up my ingredients. So into a bowl, you're going to crack in 3 eggs. Add in some salt. Add in tomatoes. A little bit of green bell pepper and some shredded red cabbage. Whisk everything together. The free range egg is going to add in some color because the regular eggs don't have color, but you can add in a little bit of turmeric if you don't have the free range eggs. Add in 1.5 teaspoons of cooking oil and spread the oil in the pan. You can also use a non-stick pan for the recipe. Then next you're going to transfer your eggs. Cook the eggs for around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then you're going to place in your cheese on one side, just like this. So the mozzarella is going to add in a very nice cheese pool, while the cheddar is going to make the egg wrap so delicious. Pick my chapati, place it on top. Flip. Nice. Cook your chapati for around 30 seconds so that you can heat up everything. If you notice that your pan is too hot, just reduce the flames. Just look how gorgeous the egg is looking. I'm going to add in a little bit more cheese on this side. Fold the egg wrap in half, and wow, just look at that, delish. So I'm going to transfer to my plate, and then very quickly I'm going to place in the next round. So I'll start off by cracking 3 eggs. Salt. Add in some veggies, starting with tomatoes. Tomatoes are going to add in a very nice color. Shredded cabbage. And a little bit of capsicum. Mix, mix, mix. Add in some cooking oil to my pan. Spread the oil. And add in my eggs. Spread the eggs. Wow, everything is looking so vibrant and colorful, and I absolutely love the outcome. Add in some cheddar cheese, mozzarella, and place in my chapati. Flip. Cook for around 30 seconds. Fold your egg wrap in half, just like that, and just look at the cheese melt and the egg is well cooked. Transfer to my plate. Yum, just look at that. Crack in eggs, add in tomatoes. You can add in as much as you want because veggies are healthy. Add in the rest of the capsicum and the red cabbage. Salt. Mix, mix, mix once more. Add in some cooking oil. For the recipe, you have to be on your toes because everything is cooking super fast. Add in the eggs. After 1 minute, I'm going to add in my cheese and place my chapati on top. So immediately you add in the cheese, it's going to melt because the egg is hot. And once you place your chapati, you're going to flip using a spatula. Nice. Pick a knife and cut my egg wrap, and the cheese is melting and everything is looking delicious. When done making your egg wraps, they're going to be looking so colorful and delicious, well seasoned, and the chapati and the egg are going to be fully cooked and the cheese is going to be melted. So this is a breakfast recipe that you can whip up in a matter of 10 minutes and enjoy each and every single